roundabout, take the second exit on Bridgetown Pike.
Alright, so we've got the cameras rolling. You can hear what I hear inside. I have the directional mic facing me, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the Canon on. This one has an omnidirectional microphone. Maybe a little bit easier to pick up sounds. Alright.
In 1,000 feet. At the roundabout, take the second exit.
We'll be switching between the GoPro and the Canon G7X for audio.
At the roundabout, take the second exit on Bridgetown Pike. On Old Bristol Road.
I would consider this drone. It sounds more like just, I don't know what you would call it. Flying around, no speeding, just a good old normal drive. You guys can hear what it sounds like inside the vehicle.
In 1,000 feet, use the right lane to turn right. Turn right on Old Bristol Road. In half a mile, turn right on Buck Road.
You get to see what I see for a change.
In 1,000 feet, turn right, then turn left. Turn right on Buck Road, then turn left on Chinkapin Road. Turn left on Chinkapin Road.
Somebody's security system going crazy. Definitely nothing to worry about.
In half a mile, turn right on Murray Road.
And point the camera towards the rear of the vehicle so you can also hear what it sounds like back this way. Even though with the omnidirectional microphone on here, sometimes you need to reposition the camera to get better audio.
In 1,000 feet, turn right. Turn right on Murray Road. Bustleton Pike.
I think you guys and girls have a pretty good general idea of what it sounds like inside the vehicle. As you can tell, you know, it's definitely not quiet, but it's definitely not annoying. I absolutely love it. Elena, not so much.
In half a mile,
But
keep right.
this is absolutely a nice sounding exhaust and combination. I gotta thank HHP for all the work, and also AWE Tuning for the exhaust. But most importantly, the combination that we came up with was a multitude of a lot of different people's inputs. So thanks to everybody that was involved in our build. I really appreciate it. I think you guys and girls now know what it sounds like, so I can shut this one down. And I'll be shutting this one down here in a second. If you have any questions about the exhaust, the setup, headers, etc., or anything, just shoot me a message below in the comment section. That's pretty much all I have today. So if you have anything for me down below, do me a favor before you go, hit that like button, hit the little bell notification right next door. Don't forget to subscribe. Last but not least, you guys and girls, all be safe. That's all I got. I'm out.